Welcome students in 7th class for subject Maths. Chapter number 5 Operations on Rational Numbers. We are completed chapter number 5. Let's 5.5 examples for practice. Carry out the following addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on rational numbers. Additions of two rational numbers 8 upon 12 plus 10 upon 9. 8 upon 12 plus 10 upon 9. 8 and 12 is number in table 4. So first I divided 8 and 12. Answer is 2 upon 3. Here 2 upon 3 is the reduced form of 8 upon 12. 3 and 9 is different denominator. So convert into equal denominator by cross multiplication. Carry out cross multiplication. 27 numerator is 80 plus 30. Addition 48 upon 23. I divided by 3 for reduced form. Answer is 16 upon 9. 16 upon 9 is answer. Addition of these two rational numbers. Second example is mixed fraction 1 and 1 upon 3 plus 3 and 8 upon 3. Here denominator is equal. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3. 3 threes are 9 plus 8 17 upon 3. Denominator is equal. We addition numerators 17 plus 4 21 upon 3. 21 divided by 3 answer is 7. Third example is 8 upon 12 plus 1 and 4 upon 5. First I reduce form 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 4. Cross multiplication. Convert into equal denominator. 15 plus 36 51 upon 20. 51 divided by 20. 2 and 11 upon 20. Fourth example is 4 and 1 upon 3 plus 3 and 2 upon 4. Here mix rational numbers. 4 threes are 12 plus 1 30. 13 plus upon 3. 3 fours are 12 plus 2 14 upon 4. Here 14 and 4 divided by 2. 13 upon 3 7 upon 2. Here different denominator. Convert into equal denominator. Carry out cross multiplication. Denominator is 6. 26 plus 21 upon 6. 26 plus 21 47 upon 6. I divided by 47 by 6. 6 sevens are 42. Numerator is 5. 7 and 5 upon 6. Mixed fraction. Next example is subtraction of rational numbers. 8 upon 5 subtract 4 upon 3. Here different denominator, so convert into equal denominator by cross multiplication. 8 threes are 24 upon 15. 4 fives are 20 upon 15. Convert into equal denominator. 24 minus 20 upon 15. 24 minus 20 4 upon 15 is subtract of these rational numbers. Second example 11 upon 20 minus 3 upon 9. Different denominator we convert into equal denominator by cross multiplication. First, reduce form 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Convert into equal denominator by cross multiplication. 11 threes are 33 minus 20 upon 20 threes are 60. 20 subtract from 33, answer is 13 upon 60. Next example is multiply the following rational numbers. 3 multiply by 8, 5 multiply by 6. Here 3 and 6 is one table, 3 number table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 into 8, 5 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 4 upon 5 is multiply of these rational numbers. Second, minus 7 upon 8 and minus 10 upon 5. Answer is 7 upon 4. Next example, carry out the divisions of rational numbers. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9 upon 5 divided by 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 3, 5 upon 2. When we divided, first we convert into multiplicative inverse 2 upon 5. Multiplying at denominators and numerators, 18 upon 25. Second, 11 upon 9 divided by 77 upon 18. 11 upon 9 multiplicative inverse 18 upon 77. 11 into 18, 9 into 20. 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 2 ones are 2, 7 ones are 7. Division is 2 upon 7. Write 3 rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers, 10 upon 7 and 8 upon 5. Here different denominator, so convert into equal denominator by multiplying denominators. 50 upon 35 and 56 upon 35. 50 and 56, I draw number line and note that numbers 0, 50 upon 35 and 56 upon 35. Between numbers, write down points on rational line, number line. 51 upon 35, 52 upon 35 and 53 upon 35. These three numbers between these rational numbers. Second, 2 upon 9 and minus 6 upon 3. Different denominator, so convert into equal denominator. 2 into 3, 9 into 3 and minus 6 upon into 9 and 3 into 9. 6 upon 27 and minus 54 upon 27. Minus 54 and 6. I draw number line, middle point 0. Left side minus 54 upon 27 and right side 6 upon 27. More than numbers between these two rational numbers. Only 3 numbers we write down. Minus 52 upon 27, 1 upon 27 and 4 upon 27. These 3 rational numbers between given two numbers. राईट द रॅशनल नंबर्स इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. म्हणजे परिमेय संख्यांचे दशांश रूप लिहा. First example is rational numbers 4/3. 4 divided by 3. Write down point and 30. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 1. 3 threes are 9. Remainder 1. Next 3 threes are 9. Remainder 1. 3 threes are 9. Remainder 1. 3 digit occurs repeatedly. Stop the division. Write down answer 1.333 to up to infinite. 1 point recurring 3. Answer is 1 point recurring 3. Second rational number 7/9. 7 divided by 9. Point and 30. First divided by 0. Take out 0. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder 7. I take 0. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder is 0. 7 number is repeatedly again and again, so that I stop division and write down answer 0.0777 up to infinite. Answer is 0 point recurring 7. Solve these all examples again and again. Today's homework: solve all examples given below. Question 1. Addition, subtraction and division and multiplication. All these examples. Solve these examples in your notebook. Next question. Write 3 rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Here I give 3 examples. Write 3 rational numbers between given numbers. Draw line, number line every time. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. First example is, first rational number is 5/6. Second 2/11. Third 22/7. Fourth 5/3. 5. 7 and 3/5. 6. 13/4. I think you would have understood exactly the examples. You solve these examples properly. Thanks my student. Stay home, safe home.